Well, here we are.
How is taller than you?
Well, because you're
tiny.
Oh wait! Before we start, I have something for you.
What?
Yep, I have a little gift for you.
It's not a phone case, right? Because that would interfere with the sponsor.
Yes, I told you I watched your show. I love to call her YouTube channel her show.
She definitely got me a rolling pin.
It's a rolling pin because when I saw her rolling out the dough with a bottle of wine, I said, "What is happening right now?"
That is so funny.
Yeah, so now you
Oh,
have...
Mom, that's so nice actually.
Well,
Thank you. Hi everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We've got Lori
Welcome
with
to
us.
the show.
Yep. The cooking show. Today we're making chicken Alfredo pasta. And instead of using fettuccine, we're using little bow ties.
So cute. They're so cute.
They're really cute because I'm really excited that this video is sponsored with Casetify. How cute is my phone case?
Oh my gosh, that's really cute. Can I get one of those?
Yeah.
Are you in your bow era? You know, when you were little, you really were in a bow era, big time. I have the photos to prove it.
I was in a bow
Oh my
era.
goodness, you go to elementary school with a big bow in your hair.
Every single day.
Huge, and the bow just couldn't be big enough.
Yeah, it's so true actually. I forgot about that. I've always had a love for bows. Anyway, Casetify has a whole collection on their website that's called the In My Bow Era collection. It's all very coquette themed, inspired looks. So it's very like feminine and cute and girly, which I think is the big trend right now with ribbons and pink and little cute animals, everything.
Really cute.
They have so many. I'm gonna like do a little layover over some other cases they have, but thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring today's video. I love my phone case. I will have links down below for you guys. Go to www.casetify.com/collections/in-my-bow-era collection to shop the collection. And with that being said, we are going to make bow tie pasta.
Bows. We're all about bows.
Inspired by Casetify.
There we go. Last night, I made a little, I'll send it to you, but I did my own little YouTube.
She
I
blogged.
did my own YouTube channel. Gonna get a little thyme. It's down here. Thyme. I'm not very good with the camera. I have a little, look at my hair. Oh my God, it looks terrible. I don't know, you make it look so easy, Olivia. Look at me, I carry the tripod around with me. Let's get some rosemary. There's my rosemary right here. I think that's all I need right now. Wait, I see one more thing I need to do. My lemon tree. I should really have different shoes on. Whoops. Uh-oh. Lemons dropping everywhere. Yay. Okay. I don't think I could have a YouTube channel because I can't. Oh no, I just dropped my lemon. We're gonna make a marinade, basically. Do a little extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm gonna dump in all these herbs that I just mentioned, and I'm sure Olivia will link the recipe. There we go. Pour it in there. Get it all over. And we're gonna let this marinade.
Oh my God, look how good that looks.
It's gonna be yummy. And I did bring some more chopped parsley from right over here. Wait a minute.
Where is this from, your garden?
This is from my garden.
Great, that's enough. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
No, or should I?
There you go. And this case is durable.
My mom moves very fast. Basically, we've got water in the back pan.
We're getting ready to put
Pot.
our pasta, get that going. We're heating up some olive oil to grill our chicken.
Yep.
And then we're gonna do our Alfredo sauce over here. It's really
And
simple
we
sauce,
really
actually.
chose the pink pans because I thought it was cute for the coquette theme.
You've been using these pans, I see.
Yeah.
I know what to get you next. Maybe some new pans or a new little pan.
Did you see this? She comes in here and critiques my stuff. They're perfectly clean.
Oh yeah, they're great.
We're doing 1 cup of milk over here, people.
I'm just getting all of our stuff prepped.
Chicken time. Do you want like a tong?
Sure.
That's a nice sound.
By the way, I'm just making all this up. I have no idea what I'm doing.
That's not true. She does.
So it's a little different than what the recipe says. This is just me improvising. I always think a little chicken broth adds some flavor.
I feel like you were just like shouting over this. Set timer for
25 minutes.
We're making the Alfredo sauce now. I'm gonna just write the instructions for this on here because it might be a little bit tricky to follow along with us. Carbone sent me this spoon, so that's
Nice.
That's how you know it's getting real serious in here. These bow ties are so cute.
They're really cute.
I'm obsessed with them. And she goes. You know what I would have done?
What?
I would maybe recommend pounding the chicken when it's raw. Okay, we're gonna let this situation happen. We'll be back.
Pray for us.
Pray for us.
Taking this off the heat, it's gotten a little bit thicker. I'm gonna add the rest of our Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna whisk that. We've never made this before, but we're giving it
You can't tell.
our best effort. Letting it sit all night.
Help the flavor.
I'm gonna try some. Let's give it a whirl.
Come on, look at that.
Ta-da!
That looks pretty damn good.
Steaming.
For slight
For not-
mishaps.
It's really nice.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it really is.
Mm.
It's nice. I bet it's really good when you do have a chance to grill it and get that flavor going too.
Mm-hmm.
But I think for
The
improvising,
sauce is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.